Hello everyone, today I show you Toddler's book. It's very useful for little learners. It's simple sketchbook, you can see like this. You can buy any sketchbook, little bit thick papers. So this is the first page. You can buy this any toy shop, and I paste this permanent, and this one is removable. You can remove this one and then again put in this box. So kids will love this when they play. Like, you remove all these letters and they can put on their right places. So these all like this ABC, all of them removable like this, and then you can stuck again. This is the first page, and then next page. This one also I buy from a kids shop, and in this page I also stuck these capital letters, and this one is movable. Small letters you can remove and then paste again. This tape I also buy, and then I put it here. This is a sticky tape, and you can see you can put like this, and then you can remove like this. So when you put this book like this, they did not falling down. It's also very interesting when they learn like capital A small a, capital B small b, like this. So you can remove all of these, and then you can say them put their right places. So this is the second page. Then we go next page. Oh, wait, first I stuck this one properly. Yes, now we can go to next page. In this page, like, you can see 1 2 3, you can say them put anything here. Like, there is 3, so put 3 things here. I can show you like this. 1 2 3, you can put anything here. Like here 4, 1 2 3 4, like this. So it's a little bit interesting activity, and this is counting with numbers. You can see here, wait, I show you in the right way. Like this, you can see now. Like, you can remove these all, and then there is also, I write ONE1, so it's easy for them to do it. ONE1, like this. TWO2, THREE3. I also write the letters here because they are small, so it's difficult for them to memorize. So when they do it again and again, they automatically memorize the spellings of the numbers. Now we go to next page. This is a pattern. They can put shapes here, like match the shapes with anything. Find anything and put it here, like this. It's also very interesting, and then follow the pattern. Triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle. So they draw picture here, triangle, or put triangle, like this. Now we go to next page. Here they count and then put the correct number. So like this, I count this one 1 2 3 4, and then I put this like this. Then I count 1 2, then I put this 1 2, like this. So it's also very interesting. They love to play this one. Then we go to next page. This is like addition and subtraction. You can put any number and then you add and write the answer. Basically, we didn't use the pencil, we just used the objects. Like here I put 2 plus 3 Now we can say them, count this one, 2 plus 3. Now what is the answer? 5. So put 5 like this. So it's also very interesting because they didn't use pencil and they can do plus and minus also. Here I put some vegetables names. Here I put some fruits names with pictures. Then I put some animals. They are also removable like this. Here I write the names and then they paste this picture like this. This is removable. You can paste it again, so they can memorize the names and also the spellings. Here I put some domestic animals. They are also removable. This tape is very useful. Here I do some opposites. You can see this one like fast, slow, cold, hot. This one is stuck permanently, but this one is removable. Like you can stuck again. How many times you want, you can play. List of opposites like this. It's also very interesting. I put the common opposites like fast, slow, cold, hot, big, small, up, down like this. You can see I do 2 pages like this. Then we go to next page. Here I put seasons like summer, winter, autumn, summer, autumn, winter and spring like this. And this page is also very interesting because on this page I make a month of the year and it's very useful. Like I put first 1 2 3 4, like how many months we have, 12 months. Then I write the names of these months and then I also write the short form of these months like January, February, short forms. So this one is stuck permanently, this one is stuck permanently and this one is removable like this. So you can remove this one and then you can say your kid to put it back like this, January, February, March. So they can memorize easily with the help of this, and it's also very useful and interesting. Here I put Arabic letters and then it's finished. This is the last page. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy and you like my video, please like and subscribe.